Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that owns the channel. Once signed in, make sure the channel is verified and meets the eligibility requirements for a custom address. Now open YouTube Studio, then go to Customization and click Basic Info. You will see the channel name, description, and any URL options. This is the first actionable place to change the address. Make sure you're using a desktop browser for full controls. Mobile can hide options or block URL edits. Next, in Basic Info, locate the custom URL or channel address field and click Edit. You can pick a suggested URL that matches approved formats or type a variant that still follows YouTube rules. The system enforces length and character limits. Once you select or enter the new address, click Done and then Save. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Read it because changes may be limited. If the option is grayed out, that signals you need to adjust eligibility or move the channel to a brand account first. Finalize by confirming the address and updating any external links, channel art, and profile details to match the new address. Once done, test the URL in a new browser tab. If it fails, clear cache or try incognito. Propagation can take a few hours. If YouTube still won't allow the change, the reliable workaround is to create a brand account or move your channel to one, then set the custom address there. If problems persist, use the account switch and repeat the URL steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.